Hi there, I'm Andrew Jeffrey and I'm going to show you a very cool piece of mathematics. What I'd like you to do, if you have a calculator, is to type in a 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number you like. I'm just going to make one up. But don't just type it in once, type it in twice to make a 6-digit number. When you've done that, I want you to think about numbers and factors and divisibility. Now, of course, the number 1 doesn't divide by 2, the number 2 does, 3 doesn't, 4 does, and so on. So half of all the positive integers divide by 2. You can make the same argument for a third, you can make the same argument for a fourth. So in other words, a seventh of all positive whole numbers divide exactly by 7. So what's the chances that my number, my 6-digit number, divides exactly by 7? Well, you might think it was 1/7, and the same for yours. But you know, I don't know who you are or where you are in the world, but what I want you to do is to divide your number by 7 on your calculator, and you will find it comes out to an exact whole number. If you think that's incredible, let's try something even more amazing. Type in another 3-digit number, anyone you like. That would, of course, divide by 7 as well, but I'm going to try something even more extraordinary now. I would like you to divide that, not by 7, not by 8, 9 or 10, clearly doesn't divide by 10, but what about this? Could you divide your number, wait for it, by 91? Would that come out as a whole number? You know what? It really would. And why? Well, you know, I'll give you another number. Maybe it would, your whole number would divide by 143. You want a clue? You'll have to wait till next time for the clue.
So we've got x on both sides of the equation. So if we take this, we've got 4x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now what we want to get to is a situation where we've just got x on its own. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of these numbers, move them to the other side. We do this by taking away 2 from each side. So we do 4x, take away 2, cancels out with the 2 here, and then we're going to take away 2 from the other side as well. 2x plus 10, take away 2. This gives us 4x is equal to 2x plus 8. Alright, so we're almost there. Now we just need to get all the x's over onto one side. And we do this by subtracting 2x from each side again. So now we've got 2x is equal to no x's plus 8. Finally, we can just divide each side by 2, which gives us x is equal to 4 as our answer. Right, let's look at fractions then. So, I want to know what 1/4 is in terms of 8. So how do we convert this? Well, let's think about what it represents. Okay, we've got a pizza. Okay, and if we split it into 4 bits, this is what we're after. 1/4. Now, if we split this pizza into 8, we want to look and see how many 8 represent the same quarter. So if we colour in the same bit, we can see that we've now got 2 sections of the pizza, which represent the same as 1/4. So this means that 1/4 is the same as 2 8s. You could also see this by just multiplying the bottom number by 2 and multiplying the top number by 2.